I'd like to personally thank you for signing up for this course. And I'd like to give you an overview of what's included in this one-of-a-kind How to Start a Food Business training course. Because owning a food business is a lot of fun and it's exciting. Not only can it provide an excellent income to you and your family, you get to do a lot of really cool stuff too. And when you own a food business, you need to get used to people coming up to you and telling you how much they like your recipes. You see, we meet our customers at street fairs, food shows, or when they call us up to place an order over the phone and have products shipped to them. They tell us all kinds of stories. As a matter of fact, just the other day, I had one of our customers call us up to order some salsa and have it sent to her daughter's dorm room. Because just a few weeks prior to that, her daughter and a few of her daughter's friends were back home from college for the weekend. And during their stay, her daughter and her daughter's friends enjoyed our salsas for the very first time, and they couldn't believe how good it was. So now that her daughter is back in college, our customer gave us a call and wanted us to send an entire case of salsa to her daughter's dorm room. Now that's really cool when your customers help to spread the word about your recipes and your business. And when you own a food business, you get to do a lot of really cool things too. And one of those is entering your recipes into food competitions. Because what other industry has industry-wide competitions for competing companies to send products into to be judged? I can't think of a one. And the really great thing about it is, if you don't win in a certain year or at a specific event, you can enter your products in again and again until you do win. And once you do win, nobody can take that trophy away from you for the rest of your life. And you'll always know that your recipe received an award. And that's a really great feeling. Also, you can have your products written up in local, regional, and national publications. As a matter of fact, our products have been included in 2 nationally distributed books published by Bottom Line Publications. You can also have your products on radio and television. You can also see your products on store shelves. And if you're a cottage food business, it's a really great feeling to have people at street fairs and festivals enjoying your recipes right in front of you and then giving you money to purchase several jars of your recipes. You may even get to travel with your food business. You see, every few years, we are invited out to Southern California during the Emmy and Oscar Awards to attend a number of events and share our nationally award-winning products with Hollywood elite. And we're a Michigan-based company, and January and February is very cold in northern Michigan, so it's very nice to go out to Southern California during those cold winter months. And the last time we flew out to California, we took the entire family, and we went shopping at one of the local grocery stores and saw our product on the shelves. I mean, that was really cool. I showed our kids, and they couldn't believe that our product was on a store shelf in Southern California. And we also saw 2 or 3 people take our product from the shelf, put it in their basket, and purchase it, which is really, really great. As a matter of fact, they still talk about that experience today. So having a food business is a really great experience, and that's why I put this course together. I created this course for those who want to work from home, start a part-time business, or even change careers. And all of the information in this course has been tested and used in our own business, and I've only included the best of the best. And having a food business is one of the best industries to be in. But before I go much further, I need to have a disclosure. I mean, we're all adults here, but the results that I am sharing about our food business and the information in this course, it doesn't guarantee you'll make any money in your food business. Our results are not an indicator of the results that you may achieve. You may lose all of your money. Your products may not get onto store shelves. I'm sorry, I don't mean to be so upfront, but I need to mention that disclosure. So if people are raving about your recipes, some have even begged you for your recipes, they have told their family and friends about your products and your recipes, then you'll really enjoy this course. So let's go ahead and get started.